Johnny Depp to donate $1 million Amber Heard settlement to charity. 6 months after the most-watched Hollywood-related divorce trial of all time, Amber Heard has finally settled her defamation action against Johnny Depp by paying the star $1 million. Depp, known for his roles in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise and several Tim Burton films, including Edward Scissorhands and Sleepy Hollow, is set to donate the money to a quintet of charities he has chosen. The payout by Heard, 37, is part of a deal orchestrated by attorneys, which has the actress's insurance company paying Depp, 60, the full sum. Initially, the Virginia jury found both parties liable for defamation, awarded Depp $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages, and awarded Heard $2 million in compensatory damages and $0 for punitive damages. In December, the damages owed by Heard to Depp were ultimately reduced to $1 million when a settlement agreement was reached. As initially reported by TMZ, Depp has now received the money in full, which will be split up evenly in $200,000 increments and given to the 5 separate charitable organizations. They include the Amazonia Fund Alliance, Make a Film Foundation, the Painted Turtle, Red Feather, and Tetiaroa Society. Together, the charities encompass everything from supporting innovative preservation in indigenous communities throughout the Amazon to funding a camp for kids with serious medical conditions. It was on June 1, 2022, after only 2 days of deliberation and a 7.5-week trial, that a jury found Depp had proven all the elements of defamation for all 3 statements from a 2018 Washington Post op-ed penned by Heard. That decision included determining the statements were false and that the actress defamed Depp with actual malice. The ruling came after the famous couple, who were married from 2015 to 2017, had battled in a bitter fight publicly throughout the previous 6 years, with Heard claiming she was a victim of domestic violence at the hands of Depp. The trial included myriad intimate and lascivious details of the pair's relationship, much of which was played during the trial from recordings made by both parties over the course of their tumultuous relationship. The trial, held in Fairfax County, Virginia, was preceded by an earlier trial in London, which initially ruled in Heard's favor. For his part, Depp had maintained his goal for bringing the lawsuit wasn't to leave Heard broke, but to restore his own reputation. After losing the case, Heard posted on Twitter last summer, "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words. I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence and sway of my ex-husband." Since then, Heard's Twitter account at Real Amber Heard is no longer listed. Its deletion occurred after Elon Musk acquired the social media platform. Heard and Musk were in a relationship, which reportedly ended back in 2018. At the time of the settlement in December, Heard posted a statement to her verified Instagram page noting that she had made no admission and clarifying that the settlement was not an act of concession. "I make this decision having lost faith in the American legal system, where my unprotected testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder," she said. Meanwhile, Depp as of late has been keeping busy in various artistic endeavors, including the showcasing of both his artistic and musical inclinations. "For many years, I really held myself strictly to just the day job of the film business, even though I've always needed to escape into a blank piece of paper, whether it be writing, drawing, or painting a blank canvas," he said in a March 2023 Daily Mail story. Tackling something for the first time with no idea of what's about to commence and what it will come out to be is deeply fulfilling. For her part, Heard, who reportedly now lives in Madrid, Spain with her 2-year-old daughter Unak Page, is set to launch her new film In the Fire at the 69th Taormina Film Festival held in Sicily from June 23 to July 1. He had sued the Aquaman star over an article she had written in the Washington Post in 2018, which his lawyers said falsely accused him of being an abuser. Following a 6-week trial in Fairfax County, Virginia, jurors returned a verdict in Depp's favor. In December, Heard said she had made the very difficult decision to reach a settlement in the case, which PA understands to be in the amount of $1 million. A source close to Depp confirmed to PA on Friday that the money would be split between 5 charities. They include the Make a Film Foundation, Red Feather, the Painted Turtle, the Tetiaroa Society, and the Amazonia Fund Alliance. After the settlement was announced, Depp's lawyers said they were pleased to formally close the door on this painful chapter. Do well to smash that subscribe button in order not to miss any updates on American Celebrity Gist. Thanks for watching.